Since the 1970s, Malott has built and operated portable crushing equipment through our contract crushing services. Malott has grown this business to a dedicated production line to fulfill supplemental crushing to complete plant layouts. The MC product line includes the following: jaw plants for primary crushing, loader and haul truck options available. Cone plants cover the secondary and beyond crushing needs. Open circuits and closed circuit unit plant layouts are available. Dry screening plants include the MC6203D and the MC8203D, can be used in either the scalping or finished product applications. Wash plants include the wheel and skid mounted frames ranging from 6x16 screens to 8x20 screens. All have double screw washers. The MC conveyor line ranges from 20-foot to 100-foot conveyors for both 30-inch belt width to 42-inch belt width. We offer 3 styles of conveyors: stackable, radial stackers, and over-the-road radial stackers. Full plant solution comes in 3 configurations and 3 tonnage outputs. Whether it is for creating base, standard products, or wash products, Malott is able to figure the outputs for low, medium, or high volume tonnage needs. For our MC line of equipment, we have made incremental capacity additions at our Woffordburg, PA location, totaling over $1 million plus in investments, which include installing new 50-ton overhead cranes, automation upgrades to our angle line, adding a positioner to better move and rotate the heavy frames in our shop for safety and efficiency of every plant we manufacture, and we have dedicated an entire bay of our facility for assembly and testing our plants. We have dedicated over 30,000 plus labor hours and added a second and third shift specifically for our MC line of equipment. We assigned a dedicated engineering team that collaborates with our field operations team on a quarterly basis to track the efficiency, safety, and performance of each machine we manufacture prior to marketing a new product to our customers. We dedicate hundreds of hours each year to new product development to ensure we are keeping up with new market demands and making improvements on our current production machines. Our goal is to maintain adequate inventory levels of standardized MC equipment along with a full medium-sized plant spread in our inventory at all times. By utilizing our partner locations, it allows us to strategically stock these machines to better serve our customers in our market areas. As the market needs continue to grow, we are committed to invest in our infrastructure and the MC line of equipment. In this case study, the customer was looking to expand their footprint in the South to meet their ever-growing market demands and customer growth. A large boom of industrial growth was happening, and they were able to obtain property and a mining permit 45 minutes west of their only other existing operation in this area. This opportunity would allow the customer to expand the market and better serve their existing customers, as well as focus on new customers. With this property, the customer would also be able to secure an asphalt customer who was willing to install an asphalt plant on their site, which would provide continuous sales and also better serve the customers in the market area. The timetable of this project was to design, build, mobilize, install, and be producing within 18 months from the date of the signed contract, in which case we were able to complete within 15 months of that date. The complete time frame from issue of the mining permit, conceptual conversations, and implementation was just shy of 26 months. The market needs for this plant would be base, 3s, riprap, 57s, 67s, 789s, dry 10s for asphalt, and wash 10s for concrete sand. When we looked at designing the plant, we would take the site. We wanted to have a plant that was flexible, easy to mobilize and install, efficient, and would produce at a high rate tons per hour. The plant would be portable but installed on concrete pads to serve as a more permanent installation, and we chose to do this with the Malott MC portable plants. We installed an MC 125 primary jaw crusher, an MC 400 scalping station, an MC 300 tertiary crushing station, and an MC 8203 wash screen. We also included an MC 1215 50-ton bin to feed our tertiary MC 300 plant. By using the MC line of equipment, we were able to capitalize on using our hydraulic jack trailer, as each MC unit is designed with a pick point as well as a jack point for ease of setup. This allows us to save on crane rental time and increase efficiency during the setup phase of the plant. From the first time the first load landed on site until production started, we were able to complete it in under 8 weeks. We needed to design the plant in a way that we could add capacity and equipment to meet increased market demands in the future. 18 months into production, the market demand had increased, and we replaced the MC 1215 50-ton bin with an MC 1020 100-ton bin and added a second MC 300 tertiary crushing plant. The MC 1020 bin would feed both tertiary crushing stations, and we would have the ability to run one or both machines at the same time. The flexibility of the plant was critical and is critical in all Greenfield startups. We are able to pull base, threes, and rip-wrap when the production shot is dirty, and run all the products off the scalping station through the plant when the shot material was clean enough to maximize production of washed finished products. Our finished side of the plant, we have the flexibility to recirculate 57s to maximize 789s and the ability to pull off all of the dry tens for asphalt or split for wash tens and dry tens at the same time to meet market demands. We can also run one or both of our tertiary crushing stations to maximize production when we have a clean shot material to run and are sending the material through the plant. By having this flexibility, it allows us to run the plant at a steady 400 tons per hour or increase the tons per hour to over 650 to meet customer needs. Some of the challenges posed for this project were for the customer, capital was at a premium as they were continuing to acquire properties and expand their footprint in the South. The contract crushing route was definitely the way to go. We included an 8-year deal with several buyout options for the plant over the course of those 8 years. Timing for this install was critical to avoid the rainy season, which would prove to add delays in all areas should we have not hit our targets. The customer was very proactive with obtaining air quality permits and mining permits, which allowed us to move very quickly. Water to the wash screen for the wash products and pit development would end up presenting the largest challenges of this project. After startup, the short-term market projections were to be roughly 500,000 tons, and we needed a plant capable of doing 750,000 to 1 million tons a year by the end of year 3. To summarize this project, what we were able to do utilizing the MC line of equipment is design a plant that met all the production needs, that was flexible and was easy to install with standardized equipment that would be the model plant to be used on other Greenfield sites for this same customer. This process allowed them to focus on market expansion while we focused on producing quality products at the production rates that met all the customers' expectations. And we were able to do this from the contract negotiations, design, and be producing in less than 12 months. The long-term outlook and the forward thinking allowed us to install the plant upgrades 15 months quicker than anticipated, and the standardization of the equipment allowed us to complete the upgrade in 8 days, minimizing the loss of critical production for the customer. The MC product line was built on the foundation of knowledge, flexibility, ease of operation, and efficiency.